What up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So today we're going to take a look at Moby Dick by Led Zeppelin. And even though it glorifies John Bonham's drum playing, rightfully so, I think Jimmy Page came up with really cool riffs for this instrumental. So we're going to break them down in this lesson, and also we're going to cover the little licks that Jimmy played during this instrumental, which is always handy to to have in your lick library. The tabs and the backing track are going to be available at GuitarForce.com. The link is going to be in the description box down below if you need them. For the sound, I was using again the VST plugin Guitaric. Now regarding tuning, we're going to be in drop D tuning, so standard on all the strings, but the low E, we drop it down, tune it down the whole step. So while you're checking out the picture of the presets that I was using for this lesson, I'm gonna play you my low E, which is D string, and the full chord as well, so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright, so let's go for the close-up and start the lesson. Alright, so we're going to break up this song into riffs, and what I'm going to do is I'm not going to be calling out every string and every fret that I'm playing. You can see that in the tablature, but instead I'm just going to play them slowly, riff by riff, a couple of times, so you can hear and see what's going on. So the first riff goes like this. Alright, now slowly. Alright, second riff goes like this. One more time. So we start off with a low E string here, then we have pull off to the open string. Then again, playing the riff second time. Then we go back to playing the first riff. And then we go for the third riff, which goes like this. One more time, slowly. And then we have the ending. So, one more time. Alright, so these are the three main riffs in the beginning. And then after that we go back to playing the first riff again 3 more times, and then we have this part where we play the riff, and then Jimmy's playing some licks in between. So we're gonna do the same. I'm gonna play them first through, and then I'm gonna just slow them down and play them slowly. So the first lick with the riff goes like this. So first of all the riff, and then we play the lick. One more time. So here we start off with the unison bend, and then you catch the high E string, and then pick the B string one more time. Like that. Second lick, second phrase goes like this. Alright, so after the riff, again we have sort of unison bend. By the way, just keep in mind that on the original track, the studio track, there are 2 guitars going on, so you can hear this slight delay in between, and sometimes Jimmy's playing a few different notes for the both guitars. So here I'm kind of emulating the two guitars by playing the unison bend like that. And here we have kind of bluesy lick where you have a slide bend and then a reverse rake like that, and then slide out. So that was the second phrase. Third phrase goes like this. Now we change the riff, so we go to the second riff. Like that. So after we've played the second riff, and here he rushes a little bit, so we have just pull-offs going on the first string we have, and it's the pull-offs are rushed, so they're played a little bit faster. So the frets are the same on all four strings, and we play this. It sounds like a gallop kind of figure, like that. Then we repeat again, and you can add a quick pull-off here on the A string. We play the first riff again, then the last lick that we have goes like this. So one more time, slowly. So it starts off with two notes here. Then we have slide, hammer on, go into the G string, playing two notes here. Then we have the slide here, a little pause, and then we have two bends. Like that. So after this last lick, we go into the ending riff, which is then we have the ending. Here we have the last note, the D note, and we slide out. Then there is a break, the drum solo, and in the very end, when the guitar comes back in again, it's just playing the first riff with the stop. Then there is a drum break. We play the second riff, another break, and then we have the ending. So in the end we have these three chords, so D, let it ring out, C, and the A. And that's how we end this song. Alright guys, so that was it for this lesson. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button next to the subscribe so you can stay updated with the latest videos. And don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar lessons. In the meantime, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.